Over 2,000 years ago, there was a man named Shu Fu. He crossed over the sea and arrived in Japan. On his way to Japan, he discovered a secret to making a fortune. So he wrote it on a scroll and called it the Epic of Forex Trading. He claimed that whoever received the scroll would have everything they wanted, including wealth, fame, and power. Around this time, numerous greedy people stopped at nothing to chase it. The world became peaceful again many years later, as a sage named Xuanzang traveled westward with the scroll. But the legend about the scroll had been passed down from generation to generation. Will Hunting was an average man who had a chomper on his head that always ate all the money he earned. That was why he didn't have a single penny left. It is said that the money-making secrets in the legendary scroll was the only cure to his disease. So he traveled a long way to meet the Forex master, Dr. Lambeau. Kneeling for 81 days, Hunting begged for acceptance and finally became an apprentice of the master.
Hey, Dr. Lambeau, why should we go across the ocean?
Don't you always want to learn how to trade Forex?
Awesome! I will become rich soon. I'll be drinking fancy wine and having many beauties around me.
Oh boy, do you think you can master the Epic of Forex Trading in a few days? There's a long way to go, my boy.